Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, it looks as though the battle between Atiku and Buhari is getting now to a ridiculous level. So now I bring you this. Atiku is not a Nigerian, he is Cameroonian, APC tells Presidential Election Tribunal. The All Progressive Congress, APC, has filed a motion at the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal in Abuja that the candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the poll, Atiku Abubakar, is not a Nigerian and therefore not qualified to stand for election. The party, in its petition filed by its counsel, Lateef Fagbemi, claimed that the former vice president is a Cameroonian and not a Nigerian citizen, and his petition against President Muhammadu Buhari, its own candidate, should be dismissed for lacking in merit. In reply to the petition of Atiku and the PDP praying for their declaration as the lawful winner of the presidential poll, the APC said that the 11.1 million votes recorded in favor of the two petitioners should be voided and considered a waste by the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal. The APC faulted the candidacy of Atiku in the election, insisting that as a Cameroonian, he ought not have taken part in the presidential election of Nigeria in the first instance. According to the APC, Atiku was born on November 25, 1946 in Jada Adamawa in northern Cameroon and is therefore a citizen of Cameroon, not a Nigerian by birth. The party also claimed that prior to 1919, Cameroon was being administered by Germany and that following the defeat of Germany in World War I, which ended in 1918, Cameroon became part of a League of Nations mandate territory which consisted of French Cameroon and British Cameroon in 1919. APC further argued that in 1961, a plebiscite was held in British Cameroon to determine whether the people preferred to stay in Cameroon or align with Nigeria. According to the party, while Northern Cameroon preferred a union with Nigeria, Southern Cameroon chose to align with the mother country, and that it was as a result of the plebiscite that Northern Cameroon, which includes Adamawa, became part of Nigeria. APC therefore said that contrary to the assertion of Atiku in his petition, he, Atiku, had no right to be voted for as a candidate in the election to the office of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria held on the 23rd of February 2019. The party went on to state that by reason of Atiku not having qualified to contest the election, all votes purportedly cast for him and the PDP in the February 23rd election are wasted votes. Meanwhile, no date has been fixed for hearing the petition. So there you have it. So that's now the latest development in the APC Buhari Atiku battle. Is now getting to a ridiculous level. So now apparently Atiku, the former vice president of Nigeria for 8 years running and a chieftain of the custom department of Nigeria for many years, is now no longer a Nigerian because he dared to contest an election with Buhari. So they want to now strip him of his citizenship. This is now where they're going to. First, they've been harassing him with the FCC, his family, etc., his associates. So now they are now going towards stripping him of his citizenship. This is now the direction of travel that these people are looking to go. And it will sound ridiculous to you, and it sounds ridiculous to me as well. And maybe I don't know what truth there is to it or not, but it certainly sounds ridiculous because this guy has been the vice president of Nigeria. Because a vice president is one step away from the presidency, you see. And this guy was a vice president of Nigeria for many years, and now suddenly he's no longer a Nigerian because he's contested an election with against Buhari rather. So now this is the direction of travel. So well, it seems silly, but with this Buhari regime, even the most ludicrous things happen. Suddenly you will see the immigration department surrounding his house and putting him in handcuffs and taking him to the borders of Cameroon and kicking him out of the country. This is what they are now intending to do. This is what El Rufai will tell them to do. and Malam Buhari will agree to it, and then that's a fait accompli. So what says you? Atiku Abubakar no longer a Nigerian? Well, that's the latest development. Conversations about Nigerian citizenship in the comment section. But before you come have that conversation with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Bell button as well, that notifies you as soon as I drop a video. Then come, let's have a chat about this in the comment section. But I'll leave you here. I'll meet you in the comment section. Here though, I say peace.